Here is an in-depth report of notable Ohio government actions on August 4, 2026, based on the available results. The record is incomplete, so this focuses on actions clearly documented in the sources rather than claiming to cover every state, county, or municipal actions statewide. Major government actions: the Ohio Department of Education and Workforce issued several same-day actions and notices on August 4, 2026, affecting schools, districts, vendors, families, and students. These included a correction window for certain FY 2026 data from August 6 through August 14 that could affect Ohio school report cards and state funding. Applications for updates to the approved list of high-quality instructional materials and core curriculum in English language arts for pre-K through grade 5 and evidence-based reading intervention programs for pre-K through grade 12, and an invitation for families and students to apply for department workgroups for the coming school year. 2. The department also promoted participation in the Team Tressel Fitness Challenge, with schools able to sign up through August 7 and the next phase beginning August 31. And it highlighted webinars and resources aimed at improving student attendance and reducing chronic absence. 2. At the local government level, the City of Findlay announced that Mayor Christina Muryn issued a proclamation declaring August 4, 2026, as Flag City Night Out in Findlay and urged residents to join the City of Findlay and the Findlay Police Department in supporting their event. 5. Legislative and judicial activity: the Ohio General Assembly calendar was active, but the provided results do not show a substantive floor session, bill passage, or committee vote occurring on August 4 itself. 10. One legislative adjacent item in the search results was a news video about an Ohio bill that would protect veterans from predatory claims assistance, but the result does not provide enough detail to identify the bill number, chamber action, or official sponsor from August 4 alone. 9. The Ohio Supreme Court began 3 days of oral arguments on August 4, 2026, and the docket included State ex rel. Ohio Attorney General v. Central Tobacco and Stuff, a case addressing whether federal law preempts the state's flavored e-cigarette lawsuit. 6. According to the court notice, arguments started at 9 a.m. each day and were live-streamed on the Supreme Court of Ohio site and the Ohio Channel. 6. Public meetings and civic events. The Cuyahoga County Region 3 One Ohio Advisory Meeting was scheduled for Tuesday, August 4, 2026, from 3:00 p.m. to 4:00 p.m. at the Cuyahoga County Administrative Headquarters in Cleveland. The agenda included approval of prior meeting minutes, nominations for Region 3 Foundation Director, public comment, an update from the One Ohio Recovery Foundation, discussion of Region 3 bylaws and grant deliberations. 13. The agenda identified participants including Kevin Paradis for roll call and Region 3 Representative Judge Masha, the Foundation's Director Nelson, and Sarah Anstein for the Foundation update. 13. Findlay's Flag City Night Out appears to have functioned as a public safety/community event tied to the mayoral proclamation and support from the police department. 5. Enforcement and public safety actions. No Ohio State enforcement press release from August 4, 2026, was included in the search results. The strongest enforcement-related item is the Findlay Police Department's association with Flag City Night Out, but the result provided only a proclamation and call for public support, not a specific enforcement action, such as an arrest campaign, inspection sweep, or regulatory penalty. 5. There was also a media report referencing Ohio health officials and a measles outbreak, stating that 5 new cases were reported in Geauga County and that anyone who attended the Bloomfield livestock auction on July 18 may have been exposed. 11. Because this is a media clip rather than an official state release, it should be treated as a reported public health alert rather than a verified government action in the strict sense, unless corroborated by an Ohio Department of Health notice outside the provided results. 11. What can be stated with confidence about August 4, 2026 Ohio government activity that is directly documented in the available sources was concentrated in education administration, local civic proclamations, a regional One Ohio advisory meeting, and Ohio Supreme Court oral arguments. 25613. The most substantive statewide executive branch actions in the results came from the Ohio Department of Education and Workforce, especially the FY 2026 data correction process and the materials/core curriculum application window. 2. What is not fully confirmed in the available record, the search results do not provide a complete statewide inventory of all Ohio government actions on August 4, 2026, and they do not show a full set of press releases from the Governor's Office, the Ohio Departments of Health, Public Safety, Natural Resources, Taxation, or other agencies. They also do not show a confirmed legislative floor calendar with enacted bills or committee votes on that date. 10.